let me show you how to install the graphics card. This video is going to be exclusively for desktop PCs because most of the graphics cards are for desktop, but not for laptops. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the graphics card. So before you begin, unplug the computer from the wall outlet. Next, open the right side panel on the computer case. If this one has a hatch, open it with your hand. If your computer case has two screws on the back, you unscrew them with your Phillips screwdriver. Then remove the right side panel. If your computer has a tab like this, press it firmly and then until it press it firmly until it snaps right off. Align the video card's PCI connectors with the PCI connectors on the motherboard. Install the graphics card in place. Align it. Make sure that the lines they're aligned until it's all. Push it in. Make sure you push it all the way down. Push it all the way down, and make sure it's all the way in. If you have some of the covers right there, just close that. Make sure you push it all the way in until it snaps in place. Let me show you how to install a graphics card on this computer that does not have a covers like what the Dell has. Align the graphics card PCI connectors with the PCI connectors on the motherboard. Go ahead and install the graphics card. Just align it. Push it all the way in. Make sure you're pushing it all. Make sure it's all the way in. After you install the graphics card, make sure you install the screw. Make sure you install the screw. It should hold it. It should hold it in place. Reinstall the right side panel. If your casing has two screws on the right side cover, reinstall the cover. Screw in the screw on the case. Connect the computer into the wall outlet. And you're done installing the graphics card.